If your skin feels tight, flaky, dry, or just off, that's not normal dryness. That's your skin barrier asking for help. And today we're talking about the 5 signs that your skin barrier is damaged and how to start repairing it naturally. So let's dive in. Now, most women think they just need a better moisturizer or a stronger product or something that's anti-aging, but instead your skin starts reacting to everything. It's stinging, it gets red, it breaks out, and nothing you try to do is seeming to fix it. So here's the truth. This isn't a product problem. It is a barrier problem. I'm Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist, and I've spent years working on real faces and helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without toxins, confusion, or 10-step routines. And if this helps, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what actually works and the education that you need to go forward in your skincare routine. So how do you know if this is actually what is going on with your skin? Let's walk through the 5 hidden signs that your skin barrier is damaged right now. Sign number 1, your skin feels tight, even after moisturizing. Now that tight feeling isn't dryness, it's actually your skin losing water faster than it can hold it. So if you put moisturizer on and then 20 minutes later, it feels tight again, that's because your skin isn't holding hydration, aka water. It's leaking it. So you're losing the water in your skin. Sign number 2, products start to sting or burn. Now, if things that never bothered you in the past are suddenly bothering you now, or you're finding that it's making you feel sensitive, that is your skin barrier being compromised. When it's weak, everything gets in easier and your skin reacts faster, even to gentle products. They can even start feeling like they're too much. Number 3, you're breaking out and dry at the same time. Now, I hate this feeling because it's one of those that just throws you off because you think, how can I be dry and how can I be breaking out at the same time? But when your barrier is compromised, when your skin gets confused, it can overproduce oil. And in some areas, while still being dehydrated, it can produce a lot of oil in others. That imbalance is what leads to both that dryness, that oily feeling, and acne breakouts. Sign number 4, your skin looks dull and tired. Now, healthy skin has a natural glow because it reflects light evenly. And when your skin barrier isn't functioning well, your skin surface becomes uneven, becomes rough. So even if you're doing all the right things, your skin still looks, feels, and you just think it is tired. Sign number 5, redness that won't go away. Now, it's not just temporary. This is redness that is constant, that low-level irritation. This usually means your skin is in a state of ongoing stress, and it's trying to defend itself all the time. And when your skin stays in that state, it really can't heal properly. Now, here's where the ties get even deeper because hormones play a big role in all of this, especially in your 30s and 40s and beyond. As hormones start to shift, your skin produces less oil, which we need, which means your barrier gets weaker faster. So now you have 2 things happening at once. Your skin is more vulnerable and you're often using stronger products to try and so-called fix the problem. And that combination is going to be what keeps your skin stuck. So this is why so many women say my skin was fine before, and now everything I use is either irritating or it's bothering it. Now I'm here to tell you that's not random. It's your skin because it just needs a different kind of support now. So here is where you start. I want you to stop trying to correct everything all at once. You need to pull back, focus on hydration first. Your skin needs water. Your body needs water, especially your skin. It's your biggest organ. Then support your skin barrier with simple, nourishing products. If you can't pronounce the ingredients on the back, your skin can't process it. So removing anything that stings, that's stripping, or overworks your skin, and just give it time. And when your skin feels safe, it's going to start to repair. If you haven't seen my video on the 3 habits that are secretly damaging your skin barrier, go check it out now, and I break down exactly what's causing this so you can stop it at the source. And if you're not sure still where to start and you need some direction with products, be sure to take my skincare quiz because it's going to point you in the right direction and it's going to get you the products that are going to help you start building your barrier naturally. And if you like this, be sure to like and subscribe, because remember, aging gracefully begins with truth and a little rebellion.